Okay, for this presentation we're going to talk about Movenote, which is a great screencast tool to use on the Chromebooks. To get started, let's go ahead and sign in, and this will allow you to sign in with Google, so I'm going to click that, sign in with my Google account, that way I don't have to remember a username or password. You may need to allow access to the web camera, so if you see a little message pop up here about Flash needing to access your web camera, go ahead and allow that. You may also see another prompt along the top below the URL that also asks you for access to the web camera. Let's go ahead and allow that as well. So walking around this screen here, up in the top left is where you click to change the title. I'm going to call this Sample Movenote 2, and I'm going to change my title. You can add slides here in different formats. You can add Google presentations, Google documents, Google spreadsheets, picture files, and PDFs. I have a few things ready for this presentation specifically, so I'm going to pull those from my Google Drive that I have. So let's go ahead and find those things. I have sample spreadsheet, sample document, a presentation, and a picture. And I'm going to bring those things in, and as those things are being uploaded and converted, it is good to have those things available before you start your Movenote. So you should have those things already available for you. So here you have your slides that have been converted, and now they're in order. If you do not like the order, you can go in and reorder them, clicking the reorder button, and this is just a drag and drop feature. Maybe I want to start with this, or I can change the slides of my PowerPoint or Google presentation. Once you're satisfied, you can click Save Changes, and now your slides are reordered. When you're ready to start and you're ready to record, you just click the record button and it'll start you on the countdown. So I'm going to go ahead and get going. Okay, so now I'm recording, and it's going to record what I say, and it's also going to record the slides as I move through them. It will not record my cursor, but it will record my slides. So if you have something you'd like to emphasize, you may want to have another slide that adds that portion that you want emphasized. So this is a spreadsheet, this is an actual Google document, and this is a Google presentation that I've created. Once you are finished and you feel good about this, you click Save and Preview, and as that renders, this may take a little while, up to a minute or two. Once your Movenote has rendered, you'll see a screen like this. This is your Movenote. I want to point out some things. This link here is a link that'll take you directly to your Movenote presentation. You can also share or add a link at the end of the presentation, maybe a Google form or a website you'd like them to go to, or some kind of hyperlinked text. You can add that to the end of your presentation. Also from here you can get embed code. If you'd like to embed this into a website, you can rename your presentation, change your background, or you can delete your Movenote from here. You can also share it on all these social media sites as well, Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, among others. So as this is rendering, I do want to point out one other thing. After a little while, after the video has processed, under Options, you'll see the option to download this as a video. When you click that, you can download it as an MP4 to your computer, or you can export it directly out to your Google Drive. So if you have a lot of screencasts that you've created that you want to send out to your students, you might export this directly to your Google Drive, to a folder that you have shared out to them, so that they can see all of the screencasts you've created on Movenote. Or vice versa, if the kids have a folder that they've shared with you, then you'll be able to see this as well. Another neat thing about Movenote is that you can download the files as a PDF. So if a student only wants to download your slides, they can download those as a PDF from here. And that is Movenote. Enjoy!